Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I will show you how to host Gemma 4 in Colab and create free API forever. We can integrate that API and create unlimited projects in VS Code or Google Anti-Gravity. You can download Colab notebook in video description. I've spent so much time on creating this notebook which is totally error free. So for my efforts, please do subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Okay, after opening the notebook in Colab, now first we have to check every cell has loaded. Now close this window and make sure you change your runtime. Yeah, to T4 GPU, not CPU, T4 GPU. That is important. It will be automatically selected, but to check once and press connect. So wait for a little bit time, let it connect, and you will get a wonderful working CPU that is with 16 GB VRAM, I think so. So let me check the configuration. Yeah, it comes with a 15 GB of VRAM and with 13 GB of system RAM. Yeah, and it is up to 5 hours. You can run it for 5 hours. Means 5 hours of free API. Now click run on cell 1. So let it do all the commands automatically. So you don't need to do anything. I've created everything. So let the model get downloaded. First, it will download the Ollama and it will install it. So mostly it will take only 10 minutes to set up the total script. So no worries, yeah, it is installed successfully. Now let's go for cell 2. Yeah, cell 2 will take a little bit long time. Why? Because it has to pull 9 GB of model. So keep that in mind and yeah, see, I've created this script for you guys. So please subscribe and share and like this video. See it is. Yeah, fast forward the video. You can see it will take some time to download the model into the virtual machine. So let it do it work. Yeah, now see it is ready. Gemma 4. Now run the cell 3. Even this cell 3 will take some much time. Why? Because it should has load the total model into the VRAM. So it may take some time. So wait for it. I fast forward the video. So you can skip unwanted things. Now after some time you can see a raise in a GPU RAM box. So that is a sign. Wait. Now you'll see a raise in a GPU RAM thing. Yeah, see. Yeah, it has started. Once the model is loaded completely into the VRAM, it load and yeah, you will get you are using it for the first time. So you will get a success prompt hello world over there. Let it print the prompt. Yeah, the response has been printed. Okay, now run the cell 4, which creates API URL using this Cloudflare tunnel. I've integrated everything into the script, so no worries. Just click the button, and yeah, now we have got the API details. And the cell 5 is to keep this notebook alive. So it will prevent some timeout, especially. So now copy this URL. So this, open the VS Code and open the folder which you need to work. Select your folder. I'm selecting a test folder for test purpose only, for this video purpose. Now go for extensions and install Cline. Cline is extension. After installing this, yeah, click on install. So yeah, click on this Cline icon. Ignore this window. Click on settings. After settings, we have to change the API provider to Ollama. Find for Ollama. Yeah, here it is. And change the URL. You copy URL which is created in script. So, yeah, this one. See these first one. That is for Ollama configuration. Yeah, copy that. Copy link and paste it here and put the model name. There's no API key required because this is hosted by yourself. So no key is required. Only model name is required for it. So give the model name, copy the model name and give it in the model name field. That's it. Now click done and copy the demo prompt from the pinned comments and paste it for the first run. At the starting stage, means for the initial start, it will take some time. So click send the command. Yeah, now the model will be get loaded. More model will get loaded into the GPU RAM. So for the first run, it may take time. So no worries. Let it cook. The model is working. The API is working. No problem. So let it cook. Now it will start. I think 1 minute. Yeah, the API is working. No problem. Yeah, it just started. Let it cook. It is creating a basic HTML website. Uh, you can work with the prompt and give a good prompt for the better website. But for the video purpose, I've given the basic prompt for showing you guys how to use this. So if you spend so much time on prompt, so you can get a better output and you can explain the model how you want the output better way, in a better way. So for this video purpose, I've given a basic prompt. So it will create a totally basic website. So let it cook. Yeah, it is working ultimately, and this is an self-hosted API actually. Yeah, it works for you completely free forever, and it is working. See, my audio might be some problematic. Why? Because I'm using a normal earphones to record my audio. So in future, I will use better microphone to record the audio. Yeah, now it has been completed, guys. Yeah, let us check the total code. Everything is fine. Yeah, it is fine. Now save it. Actually, it will open automatically. So yeah, see, the task has been completed. Even you can see over here the graph. Still 4 minutes, 40 minutes left. See, the client has opened automatically. It has opened automatically the generated website. So this is a basic website. So see, it has created a wonderful website. If you work on prompt, you'll get better output. But for this video purpose, this is enough. So this is how you can generate free websites, and even you can do multiple PHP projects, Python projects, and even you can use this API with what we say means other interfaces, and even with the Google Gemini, Google Anti-Gravity, anything, any IDE, sorry. I can enhance the prompt, but uh, it will be a long video. See check again how we need to close the notebook. I will show you the process. The website looks okay for me. Even the text, yeah, everything is good. Now see, I will show you how to close the notebook. Now first we have to stop the cell 5. Just click on stop. That's it. Now, yeah, disconnect and delete runtime. Click on it. So it will disconnect. So again later on you can load the same notebook and run every cell. It will take only 10 minutes to set this up. So yeah, one by one. Reconnect the same GPU, everything, and yeah. Again you can connect the API in the client and you can work again. So that's how it works, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and do share, subscribe, like the video, and even subscribe the channel. I have put in so much time to create the script, so please download it from the description and share it with your friends. Thank you, guys.